Personal information. My name is Lidia Aris. I am 30 years old. I am from Mesetas Meta. I am living in India. I am trained at environment management. My hobby is watching TV. I am living with my husband and children. I am a student industrial engineering. My favorite television series is How Do They Do It by Discovery Channel. My favorite sport is soccer. My family. There are three people in my family. My husband is Rafael. He is 40 years old. He is tall, he is blond and very intelligent. He is a teacher. He is from Iniria, Guinea. My children. Sebastian. He is 3 years old. He is blond. He has dark eyes. He has hair brown, short and wavy. Julian. He is 10 years old. He is a student. He is identical his brother.